So here is how you can reset your iPad but without losing anything. So let me talk about it, and if you are first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So when you go to your settings of the iPad, you're going to notice that when you tap on the general section, at the bottom you have the transfer or reset iPad menu. So you can get there and tap on the option, right? And you can see that we have at the bottom the button to reset or erase all content and settings. So when I click on the reset button, it's going to come up with a couple of ways I can actually reset my device, right? So if I choose any of these things like resetting all settings or network settings, subscriber services, keyboard, dictionary, handwriting style, and so on, right? These things will be reset when I confirm it, but it will keep the data intact. So when I, for example, reset the network settings, I don't have to worry that I'm actually going to lose things like my photos or contacts or apps even, right? So if I want to perform a reset without or in something very specific, like as you can see the network settings, right? Then I don't have to worry about losing my data. But when I tap on the erase all content and settings at the bottom, which is kind of self-explanatory, you can notice that this will literally erase the iPad and it will not leave a trace of it, right? So you can see that it's going to deactivate the Find My, and it's going to log you out of the Apple account and every single thing. Like it's going to even tell you how much worth of data is going to be gone, right? So that is something that you have to pay attention to. However, if you still want to erase the iPad but keep the data, then you have to perform a backup, which can be either to a computer or to iCloud. For example, if you tap on your profile in your settings and tap on iCloud, you'll see the iCloud backup. And if you have enough storage available on the iCloud, then you can actually back up your whole iPad there and then perform any kind of reset because you don't have to worry about losing anything on your device. So that's what I wanted to explain in this video. Let me know if you found what you needed. I really hope that I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.